How to use Walgreens photo printing. Method 1. In-store via photo kiosk. Visit a Walgreens with a photo center and locate the photo kiosk. Insert your media either through phone, USB drive, or memory card and upload your photos. Select photos, choose print size and finish, and customize if desired. Pay at the kiosk, then follow prompts to print. Collect your prints at the machine or the store counter. Method 2 is using the Walgreens website. Visit photo.walgreens.com, sign in and create an account. Then choose your product type, prints, books, wall art, etc. Upload photos from your computer or linked accounts, for example Facebook or Instagram. Then customize layout, text, finish options, and quantity. Apply any promo codes for discounts and select same day pickup or delivery. Then receive store pickup notification when ready. Method 3 is using the mobile app. Download and sign into the Walgreens app, tap the photos icon and choose product. Import photos directly from your device. Select size, quantity, and optional promo code. Then choose pickup location and submit your order. Pick up at the store once notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.